What's up, guys? So today we're gonna get started. I'm gonna do a little bit of work on the 240. I'm gonna try to get the AEM ECU to connect. I got like a patch cable and everything like that, so hopefully that'll do the trick for all the problems I'm having. And if it does, great. I can sell the AEM because I did already order an ECUmaster EMU Black. So yeah, hopefully I can at least figure out the AEM, sell it as a known good product, and then get going on the wiring for my ECUmasters. Look at that fucking foot of snow, but it's okay. I can give you a little taste where the car's actually at. I guess I got kind of hopeful in shoveling the whole driveway. I think I'm gonna get this thing to run or something. So I guess just give you guys a rundown of kind of issues that I was having before. So this AEM has what's called like a serial cable, right? A serial port. So yeah, basically the only port that I have on this computer for that is on this dock back here. And yeah, it'll go in and whatever, but it just won't connect to it won't actually connect to the ECU. From the looks of it, that should be communicating, but it is not. So where my hope lies is this. This is a serial cable to USB adapter. I'm gonna try and swap it out on the ECU there, ditch the fucking dock, and see if I can't get the AEM to work via selecting a different connection port and choosing USB. Now this was a super cheap cable off eBay, so who knows how well it's actually gonna work. Because I've seen some that have these, but they have drivers. So let's see. Sure, let's try that. I don't know if this is working. Oh, here we go. Installing driver software, okay. Ready to use. COM 6 is where we're at. Alright guys, I'm fucking hyped. I don't know how well you can read that, but communications established. I have got my ECU communicating. Hi guys, I wasted no time getting the overalls out tonight. It's fucking cold. Yeah, I'm gonna get going on pulling out this harness, get everything out. I got hopefully the only tool I should need. Got it pulled from the outside. Now I just got to go hop in and get it pulled from under the dash. I got my harness all taken out. Wasn't too bad. Got it all laid out here. Kind of go over it all in better lighting, but I guess I'll take it inside, get to work. All right, back inside now. So I'm gonna get started on this harness. I kind of took a little break, just relax, but what my plan is, get the harness all spread here. Mostly just gonna be working this angle. Just cut the plug here. I don't know. I'll just start pulling all this shit apart. Then I should pick up my ECU. Got a couple tools I'm gonna need to de-pin this connector and repin it to the connectors inside of there. I was at first gonna just cut it because I basically spliced right in here. You can see all my connections. I spliced that into this harness that came with the ECU because I didn't think I was gonna completely repin it at, or go this far. But now if I were to cut it right here, it's gonna be too short. This is basically like the top of where it's actually accessible, is right here. And so you can tell I don't have much space until where the ECU is gonna sit. So I think what I'm gonna do is just basically pull out all those pins and then try to repin it if I have to, cut the ends off and then reuse like the ECUmaster's pins. I did get a new firewall bung too, so that'll look a little bit nicer, kind of angle it how I want it to and hold the cable a lot better, I hope. So I'm gonna feed that all through, and then I actually have Mylar braided stuff that basically looks just like that. It's what like wiring specialties and all like the really nice legit harness companies use, and it's heat resistant and it protects and just all that good stuff. So I'm basically gonna try to de-pin all of these, or label them, protect all of this stuff, and figure out how the hell if I'm gonna de-pin every single one of these. So I've been trying to de-pin a few and they're old fragile connectors and they keep breaking, so we'll see. And I realized I didn't finish the unboxing, so this is basically the package. It comes, with basically ECU, the two connectors that it needs to plug in. There's a little connectors, communication cable, and a couple of resistors, and that's not sure what the fuck those are. And of course the instructions here basically are what needs to go. So I'm basically just gonna reference this and reference my series 1 diagram that I used to wire this. Just gonna swap them on over. Alright, cool, I got everything de-pinned. So now it's just time to take these wires, match up functions to functions, like injector 1 to injector 1, and then I'll pull it all apart again and loom it up. Okay, so a quick update. We've been going through, we got a few of these things terminated and ran through for the plugs. Got the buddy Robert figuring what the hell is going on. Doing all the thinking for me. I'm gonna go through and try to make this harness pretty. I figured out how to correctly de-pin these without breaking them. So I'm going through and labeling them all, taking photos so that I can reinstall this stuff later. Basically gonna be starting on the Looming, so hopefully we can make some quick-ish progress. Again, it's a new day. Robert ended up going home to Florida. We did end up going snowboarding yesterday and had a blast on Copper Mountain, shredded, ate some shit. It was a good time. Anyway, so I'm back at the 240 harness today. You can kind of see what progress I got done. I got a couple things started on the Looming. Going through here, these plugs are a bitch. I got basically up to right here, and I have all the rest to go, and it only gets harder as these things get thicker. Basically gonna de-pin the rest of the harness. Hopefully I don't break any of the freaking plugs or pins or anything. And then I do also need to get this nice firewall bung thrown into here, and hopefully then harness should be good to go. So I got the looming all done with my harness here. You can see from basically the new firewall bung all the way up to the end here, all that good stuff. I gotta basically repin all my connectors that I had to take off, and fuck is it a pain in the ass pulling these things apart. It's especially a pain in the ass pulling these things apart. The connectors for the ECUMaster. Fuck. It took me way longer than it should. It'd be a lot easier if I just built this all from scratch, honestly. Good, so tomorrow I'll repin all my connectors. Got a spare harness here to butcher parts from to fix ones I broke taking this stuff apart. Then I'll pin up this stuff to the ECUmasters. We should be ready to throw it back in the car. So I figured I'd give a little update. I got all the engine side all reconnected with that stuff. Injectors, all this stuff. I fixed most of the ones I fucked up. This one is still fucked up. I need to get a new one of these clips. Now my last step is to redo what Robert basically did for me, unfortunately, which is rematch up these. Once again, guys, I notice I forget to film relevant outros at the time of me filming the videos, but the harness build went well. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I appreciate you guys watching and tuning in. Any sort of feedback or just support is greatly appreciated. I just do this because I enjoy it, and I want to share the memories with my friends and those I care about to see what I'm up to. And I have so much content stacked up that I'm like 3 months behind already. I'm probably going to try to start editing more. I can do more quantity, shorter length videos, and try to do one a week. Right now I'm trying to do one every 2 weeks, but make them more relevant, make it actually about something, show something getting done, not just some 5-minute bullshit type of videos. So kind of let me know what you think, of what you'd prefer as the audience, you know, it's important. So regardless, I enjoy the process, I enjoy all that stuff. So currently, as I'm filming this, currently scheduled for a tune already. I'm going through my last little bit of punch list items to get ready for that. If that's any indication, my wiring work went decently well. And there was actually a drift event recently that'll probably be the next video, because I got a lot of good clips and it was a ton of fun. Jeff got a Skyline out. I still got to put out videos about fixing Jeff's Skyline and all the misfiring and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm going to try to just start cranking out more videos. So I appreciate the support. If you want to see more, let me know, share it, and push me to do more to bring you guys some entertainment. So once again, thanks for tuning in. Give me any kind of feedback, and I appreciate you guys. Have a good one.